What if you could have the flexibility of a paper planner while still staying connected to your digital calendar, tasks, and the context you need from the apps you use every day? xTiles gives you a flexible, visual planning space that feels a little more like a paper planner but still connects with tools like Google Calendar and Outlook. You can drag and drop cards, customize your layout, and create a planning setup that actually matches the way that you think. And one of the most exciting updates is the new Claude connection, because it opens up the possibility of creating a personalized daily digest, things like what's on your calendar, what tasks need attention, what emails you may need to respond to, and what information you want surfaced before you even start your day. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So when you first log into xTiles, you'll notice the following layout. So on the left-hand side, you'll see a section for My Day, Recent, Shared Favorites, as well as Shared Spaces, and then also Personal Spaces. And inside of each of your spaces, you can add things called projects. It basically allows you to create different kinds of tiles. You can add notes, images, tasks, and so on in here. And this is really good if you're doing something like a quick brainstorming session or something like that. Then this kind of project-based workflow works really great. You can do a lot of customizations and really kind of drag and drop like this, which is very intuitive. In today's video, what I'm going to mainly cover is going to be the personal planner, which is basically a built-out space for you to plan your days, weeks, month, and even year in a pre-made setup that makes it super easy to use but still flexible. To access the personal planner, you can just click Personal Planner, and immediately you'll see that you have your schedules, tasks, recent projects, anything you want to capture can go here. You can go to your week view, month view. If you want to change up the different templates inside, you can easily go to templates, go to gallery, and then change up what you want to see in your daily page, for example. So for me, I really feel like this feels really close to the feeling I get when I'm using a paper planner, because I can flip through my daily planner, or if I'm using a weekly planner, this works great. Like I could add a task. Today's Thursday. Remember to buy groceries, and I can just go back to my day here and I'll see that task also in my day view. So everything is synced and connected in that way, which is great. And so I think that you'll find this very intuitive if you're used to using paper planners, but maybe we want to make the switch into a more digital planning workspace. And one of the things I would do is also to sync your calendar. I can even add a new calendar entry by simply using something like this, new calendar, and then if I save it, it's actually going into my Google Calendar, which is amazing. Here with the tasks, I can also, for example, add reminders, repetitions, and so on with the tasks itself. So you could even set up recurring tasks. And these tasks are actually consolidated from across your entire xTiles, which means that you never lose track of tasks. That's another really good benefit of xTiles as well. Any projects that you've accessed recently will go into this. And since xTiles is so flexible, you can even move things around. If you found a better setup that works best for you, maybe you have different color schemes that you want to use, then you can actually even save that by saving this as a template, and then the next day and the next day after that, every day is going to have the same layout every day. I think that's also great that you can kind of switch up the way that it looks and feels in the middle without losing your previous days. There's something I would recommend is having like a big week view here. You can add various tasks as needed to your task list for the week, and then work day by day here. So in the beginning of the week, I would fill in the tasks that come up in your head that you need to do for the week. And then in the day planning section, you would then see it every day, reflecting what you've planned for the week alongside of your calendar. Another thing is that if you click on month, I think that the month view is great for just regular check-ins. Like maybe this month I need to do this, this, and this. Here are my monthly goals. And then you can really reference that as you move forward within your month here. Another great thing is that here, if I click on my main calendar, I'll see my Google Calendar here, but also my tasks that I need to do each day. Next, let's go over how to create an automated daily digest using Claude and xTiles. So all you have to do is go to your icon here and then go to xTiles MCP. Here you can start by clicking Claude, and if you use ChatGPT, you can also click the ChatGPT option, and the setup should be pretty much similar to Claude as well. It should then take you through adding it as a custom connector, and then all you have to do is type daily digest xTiles. Here it's going to start asking a list of several questions, so you just have to go through all of that setup. So here's what my daily digest looks like in xTiles. I have my calendar analyzed from my Google Calendar over here. Then we can see various emails that requires different kinds of actions. Also nice is that you can see what's for my attention. And then there's also things that are just noise, and I can also see action items that I can then actually plan out. Over on the news and rumors, this is great because I can now keep track of daily headlines in the tech space, for example, as well as different kind of rumors that I can read about. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying out xTiles, who's the sponsor of today's video, be sure to check the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below, and I hope to see you all in my next video.